In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product filter to your Shopify store using the Dawn theme. This will enhance your customer browsing experience, making it easier for them to find exactly what they're looking for, which in turn can boost your sales. Let's dive into this straightforward process, ensuring your online store has an effective product filtration system in place in no time. We'll begin by navigating to the left side of your Shopify admin dashboard, where you'll find a variety of options. Look for and click on Apps. This is your gateway to integrating powerful tools that will help you manage and enhance the functionality of your online store. Once in the Apps section, you're going to use the search bar at the top to look for Shopify Search and Discovery. This particular app is designed to easily add search and filter functionalities tailored to your store's needs. After locating the Shopify Search and Discovery app, you'll want to click on it. This will bring up a detailed overview of the app, explaining its features and benefits. Take a moment here to glance through these details, ensuring it's indeed what you're looking for. Once you're satisfied, you'll see an Install button, typically prominent and easily accessible. Clicking this will begin the installation process. Once installed, you'll notice that the app will integrate seamlessly with your existing Shopify setup. Open the app, and you'll be greeted by its intuitive interface. Here's where the magic happens. The app will automatically start setting up search and filter functionalities for your site. It takes into account the theme you are using, which in this case is the Dawn theme. This ensures that everything fits perfectly and maintains a cohesive look across your site. One of the great advantages of using this app is its ability to adapt to the unique needs of your store, automatically incorporating these changes with minimal effort from you. In essence, that's all there is to it. This simple yet powerful tool is now working behind the scenes to refine your customers' search experiences. It's particularly useful if you have a wide range of products, as it allows users to narrow down their choices quickly and efficiently. And remember, a well-organized store with effective searches can keep customers engaged longer, reducing their frustration and increasing the likelihood of a purchase. I hope you found this guide useful and easy to follow. By implementing these steps, you've made a significant improvement to your Shopify store, setting the stage for a better customer shopping experience. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to check out other videos for more helpful tips on optimizing your online store.